Hello, I'm Darren and today we are on the Reef Raider. Reef Raider is another one of our 37-foot class boats. She's the latest in our class of 37-foot boats that's ideally equipped to fish up to 5 anglers. 4 is an ideal number, and this boat is fully certified to ply in the area that we operate in. Today we are just going to do a walk around of the equipment and safety features that this boat has to offer you when we are out on a day's fishing. We'll go over to the safety features first. The boat has a GPS chart plotter with a fish finder that's integrated with an AIS system. We have a VHF radio, a distress alert transponder. We also have additionally battery jumper cables, a first aid kit, spare fire extinguishers, and our life jackets, as on all our other boats, is located in the forwardmost hatch. The boats have sufficient fuel capacity to cover the entire area that we ply in. With a tank capacity of 800 liters, you can be sure that we are not going to run out of fuel. We've powered this boat with twin 250 horsepower engines that will get us anywhere that we need to go as efficiently as possible. We've got double battery banks to give us adequate power, and also dual bilge pumps for any emergency in case one of the pumps burns out. We'll take a walk up forward now and just go over the fishing options that we have on this boat. So first, get the fire extinguisher and life jacket back. The boat has again a casting cage up front, which gives us plenty of room to get up and cast, and also a large casting area on the bow where we can have another 2 to 3 anglers casting at any one point. As you can see, the boat's got lots of rod holders on the T-top, all around the T-top, as well as at the sides of the console on both sides. As well as at the stern. From here you can fish another angler. There's more than enough space to cast. We've also got our safety life buoys fitted on top of the T-top. For ease of access in case of any emergency. And the last useful feature on this boat is that we have an onboard toilet. It's again a macerator operated pump, and as usual we just like to remind everyone not to dispose any foreign objects when using the toilet. So that was an overview of our Reef Raider, and we would like to welcome you on board this boat when you fish with us in the Andaman Islands.